Next person gets drop up right here. You'll just use this back seatbelt.
Thank you.
You guys rode this before?
No.
Perfect. So pushing down is to go forward. You'll use the back right one, right by your waist. So pushing down is to go forward and faster. Pulling back up to yourself, that's how you slow down. You guys are in control of your speed the whole time, so you can go as slow or fast as you want. The only time on the whole track we ask you to slow down is just this last turn right here.
Okay.
Other than that, feel free to go full speed up until that point.
All right.
If you ever get randomly stuck on your way down, check your both seatbelts. Both seatbelts need to be clicked in for the cart to move. So leave it clicked, yeah, buckle.
Oh, this is fine?
They need to be in.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
Just in case like your leg accidentally hits it and your cart just stops. Check
Okay.
your seatbelts before you call that phone number right there.
All right.
You guys have any questions for me?
Good.
Awesome, you can push down for me. And enjoy.
Thank you.
And you can push down for me.
Here you go. Woo! That's cool. All right. The ski going on the other side, and this is the coaster. Look at that! Look at the beautiful mountains. All right, and look at this is very steep. If car beeps you too close to car ahead, slow down. Okay, it's actually a very long ride. It's a big coaster. The sun is hitting right on my face. Look at that. Ski side. And that's the cable car. These people were waving at me, so I waved back. But I shouldn't be doing that, because then I messed up the speed of this coaster. It looks beautiful up to the mountain and towards that cable car. Actually, that looks pretty good. Oh, this curve will be beautiful. So we are at 80 feet. I think it's gonna take me all the way up and then down, because it's not that much speed right now. But I think once I go all the way up, 180 feet now, okay. And then from there, when I'm going to go down, then I think it's going to be very fast. I'm just waiting for that. At 180 feet, beautiful weather, man. Beautiful place. It's the Cooper Mountain in Colorado. And look at those people skiing on the side. Actually, that's the mountain for professionals because they are doing some sort of stunts as well. So that's not for the beginners. All right, now it's fast. Woo! This is fast! That was my friend over there. Whew! That was good. I think I was going too fast, so it slowed me down. Taking it slow because there's a rider in the front and I don't want to hit them, you know. This is pretty fast. Woo! Okay, I'll go slow. I'll go very slow. Slow and steady because there's a rider in the front. Monica! You know what happens? Because when there's a rider in front and you're going too fast, it automatically slows down. Check. It's beautiful. Going slow, going slow, going slow. Going slow. Yep, let's go all the way now. Slow it down, Slow down. Okay, 100 feet to end of run. That's my friend. That's Nirupam. It's Monica. And that's Beavis and like 2 other friends. They might be a little far away, but that's fine.
All good right there. Cheer right.
Thank you so much.